So hey guys, this is Misfire. Just a little short on this. It's Xtransbots. I mean, not yeah, it's Xtransbots. It's a Target Master, and it's from just basically the only time we see Misfire, except for the Japanese takeover from Transformers, is in the Rebirth series for America. And I think this figure is a beautiful, beautiful figure. Even the Target Master it comes with is full die cast. I transformed it once, maybe I'll transform it up again real quick. So we didn't really get to see a lot of Misfire on the American side. We just see him in just a few moments in Rebirth 1, 2, and I'm not even sure he was even in the third Rebirth too much. But awesome design they made for this new Xtransbots. It was so attractive I had to consider it. And here's this Target Master transformed up. I usually don't deal with Target Masters, but I really like this one. It reminds me of Sound Waves, a new Sound Wave from Robot Paradise's cassettes. I have like one sitting over here. How they're all like Rumble. He's full metallic. And it's just kind of cool. You know, I was really impressed when I saw that Target Master. I'm going to put him on his hand real quick. And I got it on his hand. And I got it, you know, clipped in from the putting his fist in. I think a lot of people didn't like that. They didn't like the fact that he couldn't hold it in his hand. I learned that actually from the first video that I watched, and I think it's still cool. It gives it something a different appeal. Doesn't bother me at all that I have him pushed into a slot after you transform his hand in. Doesn't bother me at all. This guy looks like he has a ton of articulation. Looks like he can do just about anything you need him to do. I gotta hand it to Xtransbots figures of late. They seem like they really have come out, especially the Constructicons, and really have gone all out in die cast and better quality materials. They never really struggled with quality materials, really, other than mainly the build they struggled with. But I think they have really done a great job otherwise.